Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Days Gone game. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for best performance on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Days Gone game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. From the Options page, you will need to go into Display, and now make sure that you have chosen the correct resolution for your display device. Also turn off VSync unless you notice any screen tears within the game. Make sure to also choose the appropriate refresh rate and set the frame rate limiter to unlimited. After this, you can click on Apply and now go into Graphics. Within the Graphics section, you have the Quality preset option. You can set this all the way from Low, Medium, High, Very High, and Custom. You can try using the Very High preset first, which will set every other parameter to the highest available. Then just apply your changes and then see how your game performs. If you notice some issues within the game, you can go back into the graphic settings and try reducing the Quality preset by one step. Then once again go back and see how this performs. And by following this method, you can find the perfect balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. Repeat this process a few times until you get a smooth experience. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Days Gone PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.